Set clear annual growth goals for a pest control business using key performance indicators so your team knows exactly what success looks like. Start by defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals tied to customer relationship management metrics such as lead conversion rate, average revenue per service, customer retention rate, and service response time. Use your customer relationship management system to pull baseline numbers for each metric over the past 12 months and set percentage improvements that reflect realistic capacity and market opportunity. Translate those improvements into dollar targets and new client counts so revenue goals are actionable and schedulable. Build a quarterly review cadence where you compare actuals to target, analyze leading indicators like appointment bookings and quote acceptance rates, and then identify tactical pivots such as adjusting marketing spend or adding route capacity. Tie individual and team incentives to the few metrics that most drive growth to avoid scattering effort across too many measures. Document adjustments and lessons learned after every review so historical context informs future planning. The three most common mistakes are chasing vanity metrics without linking them to revenue, failing to review frequently enough, which lets small problems compound, and misaligning incentives so technicians and office staff pull in different directions. If you chase metrics that look good but do not generate profit, refocus on metrics that map to cash flow such as net revenue per technician and gross margin per account. If reviews are infrequent, set firm quarterly checkpoints with simple agenda items and required owner sign-off so issues get corrected quickly. If incentives are misaligned, redesign compensation to reward outcomes that support growth goals like retention and successful upsells while keeping service quality standards in place. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local pest control contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and sharing community feedback. We also host a discussion community where members trade practical advice, contractor recommendations, and tips for managing growth and setting business goals.